are grounded. Hey Dora. Since tomorrow is 4th July, we are going to go to the Go Animate Park to see the fireworks.
Wow. I like that. Can I go tomorrow?
No. Dora, you cannot. Because you are still grounded. Now go to your room now.
Man. I can't believe that I will not go into the Go Animate Park to see the fireworks for the 4th July. Now what should I do? What can I do to watch the fireworks? If I can't go to the Go Animate Park, maybe I buy fireworks and explode in the house. I know. I will buy some fireworks and explode it in the house. Ha 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 ha.
Hello, welcome to the Go Animate Fireworks store. What can I help you?
Hello? I would like some fireworks because today is July 4th. Can you give me some fireworks, please?
Oh, you come to the right side. Because today is July 4th, all the fireworks are free.
Wow. Thanks a lot. And happy July 4th.
Thanks to you. And happy July 4th.
Alright, I will going to put the fireworks here, and then, I'm going to fire it. Now I need to get out of here before I die.
Oh my god. Our house is fired. Someone has out fireworks and exploded. Oh, I know, it was Dora who put fireworks on our house, and because of that, our house is getting fired. Dora! Get over here right now.
What is it, Mom and Dad?
Dora, I have a call from a neighbor saying that you bring some fireworks to the house and exploded. Is this truth?
Yes, I did it. Because you don't take me to the Go Animate Park to see the fireworks.
Dora, how dare you put fireworks in our house and exploded? Now you burn the house. That's it. You are grounded for 17,142 years. Now go to the street and sleep right now.
Hello guys. MLCG Animations 2007 here. I would like to wish you guys a happy 4th July. And enjoy watching the fireworks and more. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.